Cabbage Tree Point. We're here.
We're here.
This is a little township. Four Corner Town.
Oh, that's sick. Hey, we've been here.
We've been here once by accident. Not too many people. That's good. Because it's raining. But the tide's up. Which is, well, tide's coming in. That's what we wanted to see. Yeah, look across that way there.
Yo, what? We're going to be
I don't know, mate. We'll see. If
catch crab.
bit windy.
Damn. Never.
Bit windy. I don't know, mate. It's a bit windy. There is another spot that I know of. We can try there. But here it's a bit windy and the water is rough. The spot I'm thinking of, we can just park the car and we can stand next to the car and just draw our lines out into the sea. So it's not too far from here. So we might give that a go, because here it's raining and it's very strong wind coming in from the coast and the water's rough, at least at this place I'm thinking of. We can have some shelter in the car. So Cabbage Patch we'll have to do another day. Let's go check out this other point. Let's go. This is the spot. Oh yeah, great.
That is, I never been here.
Alright, perfect. So there's hardly anybody here. We'll park somewhere and then we'll just reverse back in and we can just cast from here. Right, so we're here at the spot. Let's give it a go. Ready? You excited?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Salute! Alright, here's the spot. Still a bit of rain, but otherwise we can just open the back of the boot there and then just chuck our lines out this way. The wind's coming in this direction, so this is perfect, I think. Put my drink there. There you go, you can just sit here. And we've got shelter. You remember this spot?
No.
We used to come here back in the day. They've added the rocks in place, but otherwise, there you go. Take a seat, and let's all get geared up. All right. So I haven't had any videos uploaded recently. Just been too busy, hectic, man. But today is another day. It's a beautiful day, even though it's raining. So we thought we'd get out and just spend some time. See if we can catch anything, something different. You got yourself a new rod, so we'll give this guy a try with his new rod. I've got my fish finder, so we're gonna check it out. Just chill out. Maybe we'll catch something. Alright, so Kita's got his new small rod. We donated the other one, the red one, so we've had to get him a new one. Okay, we got this rigged up and he's trying out his poncho. It's not much rain, but tide's coming in, which is great. All right, let's check this out for you. Wind's picking up. You better come into behind the car here. So we've got a double double rig, double hook.
Look over there.
What's that? Tree line. We'll try the tree line, but let's get this out. We're using bream as bait. Had some bream from leftover bream from last time. Let's go.
That's far away.
That's a good trick. Helps with the wind behind us. Alright, and then we just wait. Now we've got this stand here. Let's stick that in. You're coming up behind the car, away from the wind. Now let's get the fish finder heavy duty. Good job. Fish finder. Maybe you keep an eye on your rod, yeah? The current pulling it up. Nothing stand here, because if you sit there, it's going to pull the line back in towards the tree line. We don't want to get it tangled. Okay, let's get this rigged up. Any bites? A few bites? Okay.
One bite.
One bite.
Like
Oh, you got two.
One big bite.
Oh, you got two hooks there. So once the first bite gets on, wait for the second one. Hopefully you get two. This is the Logan River. There's some fish farms and sugarcane mills back that way. There's the hawks or eagles there. It's about, oh, there's 5 of them now. There was 4 earlier, now there's 5.
Damn!
Okay, it's too far. Put that in there.
There you go. Hey, that guy's not some.
Oi! Eel. You got an eel.
I'm going to take off this. It's loud.
Oh yeah? Very good. No, too bony. Alright, well we've got to do this one again. You don't want, okay, we'll try without the sinker this time, you're thinking. Alright, we lost his line. He's got stuck in the rocks. Why not? You don't want a floater. Alright, let's try that again. Well, you gotta come back in here and hold on to this. Yeah, sit on the vehicle and then just hold on to it. There you go, sit here. I gotta get on this side.
Ew, stick.
And let's check our line. Yours a bit. See how your line is slack? Reel it in. Reel it in. You gotta adjust that. Yeah. Yep. There's a tree branch that's on here. Pull it, pull it. There's a branch here. Move down that way. See this branch? Stuck. Hold on. There you go. Where are you? What's this extra line? Hold on. Okay.
Oh.
Good cast. And now it's a waiting game. We just sit and wait. So we're just gonna sit and wait. We've got one line now out there. Sunny is a bit chilly, so we'll just sit in the shade and the warmth of the car. I'm keeping an eye on the rod. Might change the bait. Nibbles.
The two kids over there.
Had nibbles to it. Not thinking. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking we can try the chicken heart. Should do. Chicken heart time. Well, they're biting at it. It's still there. Well, it's starting to rain again. Cheeto's inside the car. I'm trying to get this new rig set up, and we'll try something different. Check out the rain, man. So first, nothing yet. I'm just changing my hook to something smaller. I'll change the line where the sinker is, so we have a separate line for the sinker.
At least you have better luck for catching fish.
Hmm? Well, I think we'll have better luck with this new rig. Because the hook I'm using right now is a bit bigger. I don't know what size is, number 6 I think. So I'll change it down to number 4 size. They are biting, there's small bites on the bait. Nothing big enough to take on the hook, so we'll change it up. Alright. Okay, hook and rig is ready.
Everybody's in the car.
Yeah.
But you have shade.
Well, we've got shade, yeah, we've got. So, this is our chicken heart here. Getting some nibbles that we want. We've had it's one line with the sinker here. So I'm going to change it up. And we'll have a separate line for the sinker. That hook's pretty big too, so I'll change it around. I might keep the hook the way it is. But this ball bearing needs to come off.
Is that catfish?
Hmm?
That catfish?
No, that's a mullet. We had bream for bait, We got mullet for bait, and we got chicken heart for bait. Using smaller hooks this time. It is gone. They took it. Come and sit down. Out of the ring. It's okay. But it's a bit softer now. The most it's not as frozen. Let's check this bait. It's heavy. I mean, there's weight there. Oh, we got something, mate. We have got ourselves
Let's
a
see.
brim. Got him. Oh. Australia's favorite fish. Is it still recording?
Yes.
Australia's favorite fish. Now, I forgot to bring my gloves. Let's get the
The
measurement.
gloves are in there.
Is it in here?
No, I can check it.
Let me just get my measuring. I think it's a bit small.
And the gloves.
No, my fishing gloves, not my other gloves. It has to be 25 or above. I think this guy is a bit too small. Just a little bit, about 23. So too small. There we go, Mr. Brim. There you go. Leave another day.
Wait, did you throw back the brim?
I threw the brim back because it was just small. It has to be 25 centimeters more. So we're gonna go with a longer piece this time. Hopefully they'll bring in a bigger one. That's a good sign though. I think that's a really good sign. We've been waiting some time for that. Alright. Definitely a brim. Coming in, taking a bite, going back, coming back again, taking a bite. It's definitely brim. I'd like to get something else though. Keep catching brim. Oh yeah, got something. Fishin, I've got something. This one's got a bit of a fight in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm looking.
Oh yeah. Is this thing on?
Yes, it's on.
Good. We've got something on and it's got a fight.
I don't know. Damn.
I don't know what it is, but it's really maybe I bloody caught a submarine. I think it's got caught in the log or something, a rock. But we did catch something. It was pulling on it. Oh, I don't know what it is. After I walk down. You watch, it's gonna move with me. Should be there, right?
What?
I mean, it could be stuck on something, but I'm moving up and down. Maybe it's a log and it's underneath the log. And as we walk, it follows the log. I don't know. Well, we might try your line again. Oh, wait, you got something on your line. Oh.
Hey, you got something. Don't say it's a catfish.
You got a good brim. Look at that. That's a good size.
That
is a good size.
Is that the
on
one
your tiny...
we just got before?
No, this is bigger. That's Yep, mate. Be quiet.
Wait, can I try to hold it?
I think this is a legal size. Let's have a look.
Oh, illegal size.
Legal. It needs to be 25 and above. All right, mate. Didn't bring my gloves or my pliers.
You should use your...
Come on, hang on. He's so feisty.
Hey, use that. Use the wipe.
Give me that thing. All right, good. Let's have a look. Yep, 26 centimeters.
The tail count.
26 centimeters. Good.
Does the count? Does the tail? It don't bring it to me.
Yeah, till the tip. That's good.
Where you
Got
gonna
a
put
brim.
it? Where you gonna put it?
And we'll fry this for dinner.
Bill, can we try to catch another one?
Yeah, we'll catch another one.
2 for dinner. Oh, that's money.
Right, so we've got
What?
our catch of the day, and we're gonna try it out. Give it a taste.
What's that white bubble inside the
That's the eyeball.
No, this.
That's the eyeball.
No, the white thing.
That's the eyeball.
Huh? Can I have that?
That's the eyeball.
No, can I have
So
that?
let's have a taste and see
Let me have the eyeball.
how it came out. I think it looks good. Smells good. That is tasty. The paprika, the mixture of butter and the lime. Wow, I love it. I was gonna fry it and then I thought, well, it's a bit plain. Now I got some taro and some sweet potato and a Goldberg salad.
Oh, it's the eye.
Is I am. Well, what do you think? Yeah, it's good. Well, that was our little trip for today. And we're enjoying got some tartar sauce. Thanks for joining. If you've got other menus on how to cook brim, share it in the comments. But otherwise, this was a quick and easy way to do this, and it's turned out to be great. So give it a shot as well when you have a chance. See you in the next one.
Peace.